Stop losing money every time you buy. This is your pain point because you lose money when you buy something. And the solution is UKI. UKI is the world's first polyequitical company, and it stands for user kept investing. It means that you, as a customer, instead of spending your money for purchasing, let's say, this and that, you are going to invest that same money at the company, and you are going to receive the products for free, and plus you're going to receive the stocks of the company, you're going to receive passive income, and also when the value of the shares or stocks of the company is increasing, you are going to have more money, more dividends, and more benefits. And you lose nothing because you have the product as well. This is the UKI solution for you. I know it sounds too good. It sounds too good. If you have any doubts, any concerns, if you worry about this business model, if you have any questions, concerns, observations, let me know, because I'm founder of UKI and we are pioneering customer ownership business model for the first time in the history of mankind. Simply saying, you don't need to lose money when you buy something. Instead of losing money, you can build your own wealth with the same money that you want for purchasing anything that you need. And we are doing this at UKI. So now here you have this privilege to build wealth, to build your investment portfolio simply out of your daily purchases at UKI. For learning more about UKI, you can check all the videos that we have. You can contact UKI, you can contact our subsidiaries such as Ili Motor and Ili Puter. And also you can contact us directly for more information and data. If you think this video is going to help other people, please share this video with them, and also write your comments if you love this business model. Put your heart, put a heart in the comment section and tell that you want to become a customer or an investor and you need to take some action. We are going to contact you, and you can become the first customer in all of our startups. That's all. Don't lose your money with the traditional business model, because we have customer ownership business model that customers join as an investors, and their money is an investment and it's going to be collected there, build wealth for you while you're getting your free products or services. That's all. Love you all. Don't forget to check the videos that will pop up here or here. Till the next one.